Hi everyone, I am Abhavya. Welcome to the place where you will be able to learn some secrets for your personal growth. In this video, I'm just going to share with you 6 types of people you need to stay away from. If you want to be really happy, enlightened, and joyful, you need to identify the people who are not of your type and you need to stay away from all those people. So, without wasting our precious time, let's get started. We all want to be happy in life. We want real happiness or real people in our life. And to find real people, it's really important not to associate with wrong people. And for that, we need to identify the people who are not of our type. And their actions will be able to get our identify that what type of people we are associating with and of what type of people we don't have to associate with. So, the first type of people you need to stay away from are the gossipers. Short minds discuss people. Have you ever seen so many people out there discussing about people, what the other people are doing, how the other people are behaving, what other people are wearing, how they are looking? What is that thing that is happening out there? They keep on evolving in the nasty conversation and they keep all talking about people. They don't understand that they also are imperfect and there are so many bad things about them and they need to just check them and just fix them. So instead of fixing them, they just keep on focusing on other people, what the other are doing, or the other people's misfortunes and unhappiness, sadness, upset, like all these things. So if you don't want to waste your time, energy, your positive mind, your creative mindset, you need not to associate with all those people who are gossipers. The second type of people you need to say goodbye are arrogant. Arrogant people are those type of people who think that they are superior. And this is the worst perception that people can ever perceive. If you will try to talk with them, they will keep on proving their point and they will keep on dominating their point on you. They will not listen to you. So if the person is not listening to you, why you need to explain to them? There are people who will not be able to understand you. This is what I'm telling from my personal experience. There are some people who don't understand me and why I need to explain to them? Because I know my reality. So it's really important to look at yourself from your own vision. If you are wrong, you need to fix it, and if you are right, you just not need to explain to those people out there. So stay away from those people if you want mental peace, if you want real joy, if you want real happiness. Stay away from them. The third type of people you need to say goodbye are reluctant. Reluctant people are those type of people who get jealous of other people's fortunes and happiness. And I'm not really able to understand this one thing, why people are getting jealous of other people's happiness. If the people have been able to get happiness, either big or small, they have been able to do it through their hard work or dedication. And God has helped them in that. So if we will be able to do hard work and be dedicated towards our life, we will be able to entirely achieve something in our life. And God will really help us. If we will not do hard work, God will not help us. So the type of people who are so reluctant always get jealous about other people's fortunes and happiness. They do not focus on them. They do not find out their own passion. There is something that is in them. There is some passion that they need to identify, but they are just focusing on goal and get. So if you don't want to waste your time, energy, you need to stay away from all those people out there who are so reluctant, who always get jealous of other people's fortunes and happiness. We can just learn something new from those people who have been able to succeed in their life. That's all. So you need not to associate with reluctant people. The fourth type of people you need to say goodbye are the victims. As I said earlier in my video, that life is all about situations. If there are no situations, that means there is no life. If there are problems in our life, if there are situations in our life, that means there is life. Either big or small. Because we are at this stage of life, we don't have so many responsibilities. Our parents have so many responsibilities and they are just suffering from real problems. We are not suffering from real problems, but we need to explore so many things in our life because we have the right time, we have tremendous energy, and we have to put this tremendous energy in the right direction. Then there will something great happen in the future. So the victims are those type of people who always talk about the life that is so bad and who always keep on feeling negativity in the minds of the other people about life. If you don't want to be negative about your life, just stay away from those people. They don't focus on the things that they have. They focus on the things that they don't have. Right? You need to focus on those things which you have. Then you will be entirely happy. So don't waste time and energy with those people and stay away from those people. The fifth type people you need to stay away from are pessimistic people. Yeah, if we want to take some initiative in life, there are people in life, if we tell them that this is the initiative that we want to take in life, they keep on criticizing us, letting us down, saying bad things about us, that you will not be able to do this, you will not be able to do that. So why you need to just tell the initiative that you want to take in life? So if by mistake you have told the initiatives or the moves that you want to take in life, just understand this one thing, and they are just criticizing you. So just understand this one thing, that you need to stay away from others, because you have been able to know the reality of those people. Next category of people you need to stay away from are the judgmental. I have observed one thing that I'm going to share with you. I have seen the people just showing off on the basis of materialistic things to the world, just because they have the fear of being judged. It's okay to be rich, it's really important to look good, but if you don't have the real beauty, if you're not good by heart, and the beauty of the face is not going to be considered, you will be able to get attention of people for some time or the other time. But if you have real beauty, you will be able to get real happiness in that life. So it's really important to identify the real happiness, and the real beauty and the beauty. And if you have the fear of being judged, why to create this redundant stress and anxiety, and why to show off to people? If you will keep on seeking attention of people, you will keep on losing your own identity, because the trend is somewhere different. And in this trend, if someone is simple, sober, and a good-hearted person, people will keep on criticizing that person. But you are so unique that you are a good-hearted person. So you need not to change your own identity. And you need not to just show off to people on the basis of the things that people are showing off. This is just the worst perception that people are possessing. So know the reality. Just stay away from all those people who are judgmental, because that will destroy your mental peace and that will destroy your own identity. So stay away from them. So these were the 6 types of people I wanted to share with you, whom you need to stay away from. If you like this video, then don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe my channel. If you have any query and you want me to make a video on some topic regarding personal growth or spoken English, then write down in the comments. I will definitely consider that. So we'll be meeting all of you in the next video. Till then, bye bye, take care. Stay safe and stay connected.